Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Shein. They did send me this 30-inch wig and I'll be installing it with y'all, showing how I got this easy beginner friendly side part look. Y'all, when I say 10 out of 10, it definitely is a 10 out of 10. So let's get right into this video. That's fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. So the wig did come in this pink box, y'all. This is human hair. This is a 13x4 frontal. As I mentioned, it is 30 inches. Inside with the wig, it came with a wig cap. It also had the amount of inches labeled on the wig, y'all. And I did go in and bleach the knots as well. I repeat, y'all, I did go in and bleach the knots on this wig before I installed it. Not only that, y'all, Shein did send me a few gifts inside that came with the wig. They did send me a box, real cute box with some hair supplies inside. Everything about this company will be in the description box as well. They did send me some lace tint mousse. They also sent me some lace glue remover. They also sent me some lace glue, 2 milk bands, a comb, and a edge brush. These definitely came in handy and saved me from going to the beauty supply store, y'all. Definitely a 10 out of 10. It also came with a wax stick as well.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. Try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views feeling every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play.
So y'all, this is the final look. When I say 10 out of 10, definitely a 10 out of 10. I decided to put some wine curls in it with a cute braid on the side with extra baby hairs, y'all. I definitely love this Shein wig. It's also a little bit longer than 30 inches as well. Definitely keep that in mind. I will be showing y'all the full length, y'all. Everything about this wig will be in the description box. Literally everything. You can use my discount code to get money off if you're interested in shopping with them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times again.